If you're getting pop-up ads and promotions on all the pre-installed apps like File Manager, Security, or Music on your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G on Xiaomi HyperOS, to stop or absolutely block them for good, you gotta turn it off individually from each app or it might not work. So make sure you watch all of them. So first, I'm gonna go to the device's individual settings. From settings, scroll down to fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. Scroll down for privacy. Scroll once again for ad services and simply turn it off. Now let's check out different app settings one after another. Like if you open up the music app, go to these horizontal lines, from there to settings, to advanced settings. Scroll down and turn off show ads and personalized recommendations. In Security app, open up the app, tap on this wheel icon, and then just turn off this option, Receive Recommendations. Next, let's open up the Cleaner app, and then from Settings, turn off Receive Recommendations option. Next, I'm gonna go look for Downloads. Tap on this three dot, go to Settings from there, and disable Show Recommended Content option. Now let's talk about App Vault. Now go to App Vault, from there to this three dot to Manage Services, and turn off these two options, App Suggestions and Promotion. Now let's go to MI Browser. A lot of us use this. Then tap on this profile icon, from there to this wheel icon or settings, to privacy protection, to block ads, and simply turn this option on. And hopefully there won't be any other pop-up ads on your pre-installed apps. Thanks for watching.